Hello and welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be planning the week of the 21st through the 27th in my catch-all planner. Excuse me, the kit I'm going to be using is from Planning with Manny. This is the Fairy Tale Adventures. I already went ahead and put down my date strips. So we're just gonna go ahead and start laying stuff down. Oh, and then so obviously I have my kit. I have my sidebar from Tipsy Dog here, and then I also have the week of from Mandy Lynn Plans, and this is week number 43. There we go. So, yeah. How have y'all been doing? I've been doing really good. This week has been uber crazy. I was having some car trouble earlier in the week, so that kind of put a damper on some things. I'm going to turn this sideways because I'm trying to cover what I can. Okay, I'll do the best that I possibly can. But anyway, so yeah, got my car fixed. My husband was home on Monday. He had the day off, so we did all our running around. Tuesday, I did running around. Did all our errands that needed to be done. Then yesterday, on Thursday, the 17th, because I'm filming this on the 18th, I had more running around to do. So my daughter and I went and did all of that. I'm gonna, take those out for now. So that was fun. Oh, life has just been go, 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 you guys, right? Like always. Oh, come on. There we go. I feel like there is no rest for the wicked. I hurt my back yesterday, so I'm trying to film as quickly as possible, but not too quickly, because it definitely hurts sitting up. So, trying to take care of that. Daughter got her Halloween costume the other day, which was really cool. She's very excited. She has been wanting to wear it around the house already, so she's been doing that. All right, so my categories are household. These are chores and errands that need to be done. My daughter for like play dates and stuff. I use my name, but I do it also for my husband as well. Put his stuff down here. Health, I'm trying to get better about. Not going so well. And then I do have ideas, but I think I'm gonna change this when I run out and put books that I'm reading. So I'll be tracking my books in 2 to 3 different places. That just makes sense to me if I'm not in my social media planner where I do keep track of my TBR. Then I can look in here if I'm near this planner. So that is just how I plan on doing that. And then I might actually track what diamond paintings I'm working on as well. But anyway, so I have these scripts from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for her, so if you use Amy B20, you can get 20% off your entire purchase. But we're gonna start with household, and the first thing I always mark down, which is probably redundant, but I do like it, is trash. Because we have trash day every week. 1, 2, 3, 4 glasses. Perfect. Pull this out because it is going to be done. So I'm going to try and do every day for 6 days. I tried to tidy up, but I've been really bad about it, so we're just gonna put a reminder in for the next couple days. I think the only day I won't do it is on Sunday or Saturday. Probably Sunday, because Saturday we seem to we do a lot of cleaning, like stuff that doesn't normally get done during the week. Because my husband's home and he can help me move furniture and stuff, so I can vacuum underneath it. And then one other thing, on Monday we change fountain pen doesn't want to work. I change my wax on Mondays in my wax melter. Come on, there we go. I'm just gonna put that right there on Monday. Nothing else. Thursday. Tidy. Friday and Saturday. Tidy. Saturday we also do a lot. Okay. So now I just finished a sticker sheet. So I need to order more of the 15-minute tidy from Black Mountain Plans. Alright. We need, it is a laundry. And we'll do change sheets. That's 2 things I need to do on Saturday. Like I said, Saturday is pretty filled. Oops. I'm gonna try to mow the grass on Friday. Hopefully it's almost, the season is almost done. Our grass just grows really long. And then my husband will do the backyard. Oh, sorry. On Sunday. My daughter doesn't have anything going on here, I don't think. Let's see, 21st. Yeah. Okay. So then we drop down to me, my husband, and I have therapy this day, and my husband has duty on Saturday and Sunday. I don't know what else we have going on this weekend, but all right. So I finished the sticker sheet, so that's going to be thrown away. And this is my plan with me. Short, simple, sweet, to the point. Not much is really going on this week. Mostly is just getting the house together. Actually, I do need to add a couple things to household. So I need to vacuum upstairs, and I need to clean spare room, and then make spare bed. So it's made because we are gonna have visitors in a couple weeks, and I'd just rather have it done and already to go. If I can get some of this stuff done this weekend that's coming up, I will. But we have been doing like a lot of work in our house, like cleaning this past weekend. So I've just been trying to keep up with that. So I have those that need to be done. Oh, and then I do need one more thing for Sunday. I need to measure bookshelf. I need to measure in one of our bedrooms. It's one of our spare rooms. It's just kind of our junk room, but we're going to be putting bookshelves in there. And I need to measure for that. So that is it. Household is pretty full. If I run out, like I said, when I run out of stuff for the household, I will obviously put it down here and whatnot. And my fountain pen leaked. But I do have some extra functionals, so I'm very happy about that. So that is my plan with me, and I will see you guys next week.